In this video, I'll guide you through how to pay your CIBC Costco Mastercard bill. Managing your credit card payments efficiently is crucial for maintaining a good credit score and staying on top of your finances. Today, we'll focus on how to do this online using your banking app or online banking platform, whether it's RBC, TD, or any other bank you might use. Let's get started. First, open your banking app or log into your online banking account. This is your starting point where you can manage all your transactions. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Pay Bills, or sometimes it might be called Move Money. This section is where you can handle all your bill payments, including your CIBC Costco Mastercard. Next, you'll want to set up your CIBC Mastercard as a payee. This step is crucial for ensuring your payments go to the right place. Look for an option that says Add Payee or Add Bill Payee. It might be slightly different depending on your bank, but the idea is the same. You're essentially telling your bank who you want to pay. Now, in the search field, type in CIBC Mastercard. It's important to note that you should not search specifically for CIBC Costco card. Just CIBC Mastercard is what you're looking for. Once you find it in the list of available payees, select it. This ensures that your payments are directed correctly. After selecting CIBC Mastercard, you'll need to enter your credit card number. This number acts as your account number for this transaction, so make sure you enter it correctly. Additionally, you'll have the option to give this payee a nickname. You might want to call it something like CIBC Costco for easy reference in the future. Once you've entered the necessary details, save the payee. This means you won't have to go through this setup process every time you want to make a payment. Your CIBC Mastercard is now ready to receive payments. With the payee set up, go back to the Pay Bills section. Here, you'll select the account you wish to pay from. This could be your checking or savings account depending on your preference. Enter the payment amount, making sure it covers at least the minimum due to avoid any late fees or interest charges. Before finalizing, review all the details carefully. Double-check the amount, the payee, and the account you're using to pay. When everything looks good, click Pay Now to complete the transaction. And just like that, you've successfully paid your CIBC Costco Mastercard bill. And that's how you pay your CIBC Costco Mastercard bill online. By following these steps, you can ensure your bill is paid on time, every time, with ease and convenience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tips.